Time now to check in with Dave Spahr with a look at our weekend forecast. Cooling off out there this morning, I would say.
Dave, good morning.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Have a little bit of a cool start, sure, and even some fog issues, too. But that has since mixed out, so we're looking at a pretty good afternoon, too. We'll get into that in just a bit. Here are the highs for today. You can expect a pair of 8s up there in Temecula. Want to do the wine tour, make sure you keep a lot of water flowing. That is still definitely something you want to keep going on. Tend to dehydrate. Ocotillo Wells at around 93. You will see in the coastal locations even into the 70s. We jump right now to the 10 News pinpoint weather stations to check out the winds. Jillian, for example, gusts at around 14 so far. Palomar Mountain around 17. I suspect these numbers will probably easily for gusts get into the 20s, maybe 30s in some spots. But note also to the direction coming in from the east. Why? It's because what the players are doing for us, and that is the dose of high pressure. This high pressure building. This was the spot we were concerned about for the fire weather watch. That's been pulled now from the National Weather Service and the red flag warning, at least for San Diego and Orange counties. It does exist still in LA County. We do have still the offshore winds. This will be hot and dry, so it still carries with it the same thing. They tend to monitor things like this to see if it's going to be intense enough to issue those statements that we frequently talk about. But again, looking a little bit better for us. But hot and dry is what you can still expect for the day ahead. Speaking of the dry conditions, the 10 News humidity futurecast, notice how these numbers drop, not just inland, but along the coast as well, particularly tomorrow into the teens. Carlsbad, you see that? San Diego proper, also dropping into the teens. So we're going to have very dry conditions taking us all the way into Monday. Your 7-day forecast at the coast. 82 does it for today. Tomorrow we do cool off by Friday into Saturday. There is a new system to look out for that will bring us potentially some rain and drizzle. That will be from Thursday onward to Saturday, which you see also inland as temperatures drop into the 60s. You've been hearing a lot about Sandy, of course, too. Also watching something else that may affect those folks up in the Northeast probably by the middle of the week. Vanessa and Chris.
All right, Dave, thank you so much.